Good morning students. Now we are going to learn linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation? Linear equation in one variable. Definitions. A linear equation is an equation for a straight line. Equation for a straight line in form of ax plus b, where a and b are real number and x is variable. That is a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. 2 is a constant. X is a variable. So x is a coefficient of 3. So a linear equation is an equation for a straight line. That meaning an equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. That is left hand side and right hand side is equal to left hand side and right hand sides are equal in the form of ax plus b, where a and b are real number. Ax plus b, that is equation is called ax plus b, where a and b are real number and x is a variable. A linear equation is an equation for a straight line in the form of ax plus b, where a and b are real number. How to solve the linear equation? For example, 3 added to a number gives us 10. Find the number. Say the answer. 3 added to a number gives us 10. Find the number. So take a note and pen. Do the sum. 3 added to a number gives us 10. Find that number. So that number is called, that number considered by x. That x plus 3 equal to 10. For example, x plus 3 equal to 10. 3 added to a number, that number is called x. Let us consider by x. X plus 3 and gives us 10 equal to 10. Okay. So next one, we can probably say that number considered by x. The number considered by x plus 3 equal to 10. So one variable, that is called a one variable. X is called a one variable. Highest power term is 1. X power 1. That is a value is called 1. Linear equation in one variable or first degree equation in one variable. So how to solve the linear equation? Isolate the variable on one side of the equation so that the number, that is solution, is on the other side. Isolate the variable. Isolate variable means that is called a single variable. That variable is called x on one side of the equation. That is called left hand side of the equation. So that the number, that is the solution, is on the other side. Other side is a right hand side, that is equal. So for example, x plus 3 equal to 10. X plus 3, x is isolated variable, plus 3 equal to other side right hand side, that value is 10. So for example, x plus 3 equal to 10. Are you understand? So typically variable is a left hand side. Variable also considered by left hand side. Solution considered by right hand side. So given, but it does not matter which side is which. For example, 4 is a solution to 3x minus 5. 7 is a solution to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 equal to 7. 3x minus 5 equal to 7. So we can probably say that consider the x variable, 3x minus 5 equal to 7. So x value is 4. So what number put by the x variable, so that is equal to the variable. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Are you understand? So already you know that Already you know that the variables. So 3 4s are 12, minus 5 equal to 7. 7 equal to 7. So that is a true statement. That is a true statement. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Example 2. 2 is not a solution to 5x minus 9 equal to 6. What number? So for considered by 2. Considered by 2. X considered by 2. X equal to 2. Any number find out. Any number you will find out the variable x is equal to 2 or 3 up to n variables. So n number 5x minus 9 equal to 6. So 5 2s are, so that considered x is equal to 2. Let us consider x is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10 minus 9 equal to 6. So 10 minus 1 equal to 6. 10 minus 1 1 equal to 6. It is equal. Say the answer. It is equal or not? It is not equal. It is true or false? False statement. Are you understand the student? Compare these two equations. Try to compare these two equations. X minus 1 equal to 3. X minus 1 equal to 3. So x subtracted to the number 1. X subtracted to the number 1 gives us 3. Gives us 3. So find that number. So do the sum. So x minus 1 equal to 3. X subtracted to the number 1 gives us 3. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Left minus hand side equal to right minus hand side. That is called the inverse method. Two method, inverse method. Another one is a transposition method. Another method is a transposition method. So left minus hand side equal to right minus hand side. It is a inverse operation method. So first method is a inverse operation method. Second method is a transposition method. Both methods we get the same answer. We get the same answer. Addition and subtractions. So left minus hand side equal to right minus hand side. It is a transposition method. It is the easiest method. Transposition method is the easiest method. X minus 1 equal to 3. X minus 1 equal to 3. So minus 1 transposed to plus 3. Minus 1 transposition to right hand side. That value is plus 1. That value is plus 1. X minus 1 equal to 3. So it is the easiest method. So transposition means transferred. Transposition means transferred. So left hand side transposed to right hand side. So plus 3 transposed to minus 3. Plus 3 transposed to minus 3. All of you clear? Are you clear or not? Transposition. Left hand side transposition into right hand side. So plus 3 transfer to minus 3. So never existing add to the number transpose to the other subtracted. Never existing add to the number transpose to the other subtracted. So plus 3 transfer to the minus 0. For example, so minus 1 transfer to plus 1. So when shifting has plus become minus, minus become plus. So left hand side minus goes to right hand side. So plus left hand side. So goes to the right hand side minus 1. So that is called the transposition. So minus 1 transposed to the plus 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So that x is equal to 4. Equation. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal, it is an equal. 3x square plus 5 equal to x minus 5. 3x square plus 5 equal to x minus 5. So arrange the variable 3x square. 3x square plus 5 equal to x minus 5. 3x minus 2y equal to 8. 6 minus x equal to x plus 9. It is a equal algebraic expressions. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. So left hand side, right hand sides are equal. That is an equation. Are you understand? Linear equation in one variable. The equation involving only one variable in first order is called a linear equation in one variable. Only one variable. That is called a linear equation. 3x minus 5 equal to 0. It is a linear equation or not? That is a linear equation. So linear equation is a x. Linear equation that is called only one variable. It is called a linear equation in one variable. 3x minus 5 equal to 0. 8 minus y equal to 2. It is a linear equation or not? Linear equation. 7 plus a equal to 15 minus 3a. Left hand side, right hand side. That is two variables. That is a two variables. Left hand side one variable, right hand side one variable. It is a linear equation one variable or not? Linear equation one variable. So it is equal. Three equations are linear equation in one variable. Properties of an equation. If same quantity is added to the both the sides of the equation, the sums are equal. If same quantity is added to both the sides of the equation, sums are equal. So that is called the inverse method. It is an inverse method. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So inverse method means finding the variable of the value that is satisfying the equation. That is satisfying the equation. That is finding the value of x. Finding the value of x is equal to 7. So x plus a equal to 7 plus a. It is a same quantity is added to the both side. So plus a considered by any number. Any number added to left hand side and right hand side. Both the terms are equal. Both the terms are equal. That is left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Are you understand? If the same quantity is subtracted from both the sides of an equation, the difference are equal. Any number subtracted to the left hand side and right hand side, both the terms are equal. Both the terms are equal. X minus a equal to 7 minus a. That value is called equal. Assuming the number to add it to the left hand side and same to the right hand side, it is called the subtraction. Any number are assumed to a, so then will be subtracted. X minus a equal to 7 minus a. If both the sides of an equation are multiplied by same quantity, the products are equal. Products are equal. That is any number multiplied by a. So x into a into x equal to 7 into a. If both the sides of an equation are multiplied the same quantity. If both the sides of an equation are divided by the same quantity, it is called the quotients are equal. So divide any number divided by variables are constant. So x divided by a equal to 7 divided by a. That's are equal. To solve an equation of the form, solve x plus 4 equal to 10. X plus 4 equal to 10. How do we use the inverse method to solve a linear equation? So first method is what is the first method? Inverse operation method. Second method is a transposition method. So both the methods we get the same answer. Are you understand? So next one, x plus 4 is equal to 10. Solution, x plus 4 equal to 10. So plus 4. Finding the variable of the variable that satisfy the equation finding the value of x. That is an inverse operation method. Whatever do the left hand side, we do same add to the right hand side. Same added or subtracted to the any add or subtracted to the any number. So both the sides both the sides are equal. X plus 4 minus 4 equal to 10 minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 10 minus 4 we get a value 6. X equal to 6. Subtracting 4 from both the sides. Subtracting 4 from both the sides. To solve an equation of the form x minus a equal to b, y minus 6 is equal to 5 are equal. So left hand side, right hand side, put the number plus 6. Put the number added to plus 6. So left hand side and right hand side added to the number plus 6. Y minus 6 plus 6 equal to 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 cancel. 5 plus 1, 11. We get a value y equal to 11. Shortcut method. So it is the easiest method. That method is called a transposition method. In an equation, an added term is transposed from one side to the other. It is subtracted. One side to the other and it is subtracted. X plus 4 is equal to 10. So already you know that. What is a transposed? X plus 4 equal to 10. Transposed means transferred. So plus 4 transposed to minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. In an equation, second method, in an equation, subtracted term is transposed to the other side, it is added. Other side, it is added. Y minus 6 equal to 5. So minus 6 transposed to plus 5. Plus 5. So goes to right hand side. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 6 is transposed to minus 6 transposed to plus 6. So 5 plus 6 equal to 10. So third method is in an equation a term is a multiplication is transposed to the other side, it is divided. 3x equal to 12. 3x equal to 12. So 3 into x. So 3 is 3 multiply. So 3 multiply transposed to divide. So 12 divided by 3. So 12 fours are 3. 3 fours are 12. X is equal to 4. In an equation, a term is division is taken to the other side. It is multiplied. Other side it is multiplied. Y equal to y by 6. Y by 6 equal to 4. Y by 6 equal to 4. So divided by 6. So 1 by 6 transposed to 1 by 6 transposed to 4. 1 by 6 transposed to 6. So 6 fours are 24. Two a minus 3 equal to 5. Solution: minus 3 transposed to plus 3. So 2a equal to 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. 5 is added to 3. 8. We get a value 8. 2a equal to 8. 2 is multiplied by a. So 2 multiply transpose to divider. A equal to 8 by 2. So 4 2s are 8. A equal to 4. So addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes subtraction. Sorry, division becomes multiplication. It is a rules. 5n divided by 8 equal to 20. Solution: so 8 divided transpose to multiplication. 5n is equal to 20 into 8. 5n 20 into 8. So 5 multiply. 5 is multiply. So transpose to division. So 20 divided by 20 into 8 divided by 5. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. So we get a value n equal to 32. Solving an equation with variable on both sides. Transpose the terms containing the variable to one side and the constants to the other side. 10y minus 3 equal to 7y plus n. So arrange the variables on the left hand side. Arrange the constants on right hand side. So plus y plus 7y transfers to minus 7y. Minus 3 transfers to plus 3. Are you understand? So 10y minus 7y. So subtract already normal subtraction method. 10 minus 7 3. 3y. That's all. Equal to 9 plus 3 12. So 3y equal to 12. 3 is multiply. So multiply transpose to divider. 12 divided by 3. So 4 3s are 12. Y is equal to 4. Solve. 2 into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 8 plus 7 into x minus 4. Solution. First removing the brackets. So 2 is multiplied by x minus 5. 2 into x 2x minus 2 5s are 10 plus 3 is multiplied by x minus 2. 3 into x 3x. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 equal to 8 plus 7 is multiplied by x minus 4. 7 into x 7x. 7 4s are 28. Next one. Another one. Arrange the variables. Arrange the variables. Sorry. First add or subtract to the left hand and right hand side the constants minus 10 minus 6. So already you know that the rule. Minus 10 minus 6 added minus 16. 5x minus 16. Next one 8 plus 7x minus 28. 28 minus 8 20. So greatest number symbol minus 7x minus 20. So arrange the variables on left hand side. So 5x minus 7x equal to minus 20 transfer minus 16 transfers to left hand side. So plus 16 minus 20 plus 16. Next one 5x minus 7x minus 2x equal to minus 4. So minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel. So x is equal to 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 2. We get a value x equal to 2. Multiplication division. Example 1. 3x is equal to 6. So 3 is multiply. 3 is multiply transposition to division. So 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. We get a value x is equal to 2. 3 equal to 5 into x. 3 equal to 5 into x. 3x equal to 9. 3x equal to 9. So x variable 3. X is equal to 3 by 5. X is equal to 9. So next one x by 3 equal to 5 by 2. Mixed operation. Example 1. 3x plus 6 equal to 9. So plus 6 transfers to minus 6. 3x equal to 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 we get a value 3. 3x equal to 3. Already you know that. So multiply becomes division. So 3 is multiply. So goes to division. 3 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. We get a value x is equal to 1. Next one. 2x plus 7 equal to 4x minus 9. X by 3 equal to 2. Next one. 2x minus 3 divided by 3 equal to 5. So arrange the variable. So 2 into x minus 3. 4x minus 1. 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 5 transfers to plus 5. 3x equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by 3. So 3 is multiply. Transpose to division 5 by 3. Check by substitution method. X is equal to 5 by 3. So substitute the value of x. 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So take a equation. Take a given equation with the left hand side. 3x minus 5 equal to 0. 3 into 5 by 3. 3 cancel. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 0. We get a value 0. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. 8x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 2x. So arrange variables on left hand side, arrange the variables, arrange the constants on right hand side. So minus 2x transfers to plus 2x, minus 3 transfers to plus 3, 8x plus 2x equal to 9 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10x equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 10. So cancellation method, we get an answer 6 by 5. X is equal to 6 by 5. We have 7 minus 5x equal to 5 minus 7x. So transposition method, arrange the variables minus 5x minus 7x transpose to plus 7x minus 5x plus 7x. So 5 minus 7 plus 7 transpose to minus 7. So subtracted 5 plus 7, 7 minus 5, 2x equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 2 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by 2. 1, 2 is 2. We get the value x is equal to minus 1. Another one, we have 3 plus 2x equal to 1 minus 6. So arrange the variables. First arrange the variables on left hand side. 2x minus 6 transfers to plus 6. So next one, plus 3 plus 1 transfers to minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 transfers to minus 2. So 3 is multiplied transfers to division. Minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. So substitution method, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2 into, substitute the value of minus 2 by x. So 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus, minus. 3 minus 4 by 3. So take a left hand, take a LCM. So LCM is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 4 by 3. 5 by 3. So we get a value is 5 by 3. Another one, 1 minus x. So x value minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. So minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 by 3. So next left hand, take a LCM. So 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 by 3. 5 by 3. So left hand and right hand sides are equal. So we get the values of x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Are you understand? We have 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 4 plus 12x minus 3 equal to 0. So already you know that 2 is multiplied by x minus 2 plus 3 into 3 is multiplied by 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 4 3s are 12x minus 3 equal to 0. Next one, plus 12 plus 2 14x minus 3 minus 4 added minus 7 equal to 0. Next one, minus 7 transpose to plus 7. 14x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 14 is multiply transpose to division. 7 by 14. 1 7 is 7. 7 2s are 14. Checking method. Substitution the x is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 12 into 1 by 2 minus 3. So cancel. 2 to cancel. We get a value 1 minus 4 plus 12. 1 by 2. 6 2s are 12 minus 3. So 1 minus 4 plus 6 minus 3. So minus 7 plus 7. We get a value of 0. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So that variable is correct. Thank you, student. Kindly, if you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me.